Let me get on my horse first. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold your ground, hold your ground. Sons of Gondar, O Rohan, my brothers. I see in your eyes the same fear that would take the heart of me. A day may come when the courage of man fails, when we forsake our friends and break all bonds of fellowship. But it is not this day. An hour of walls and shattered shields, when the age of man comes crashing down. But it is not this day. This day we fight. By all that you hold dear on this good earth, I bid you stand, men of the West!